Install dash kit for single DIN, ISO radios. Includes a storage pocket below the radio. Comes with under radio CD jewel case pocket. Designed and manufactured with precision tolerances, resulting in a gapless fit between the dash and the kit. For 1982-95 GM, multi-kit. Top reviews from the United States. 1999 Chevy Astro. This proved to be a great kit which I purchased on Amazon from Hooked Ontronics. It's a 1.5 DIN, 3 model type radio-specific kit, unlike others that look like a 150-piece Rayvale model kit trying to fit every make and year known to man. As such, I found the plastic to be thicker and sturdier than other kits I've dealt with. The sculpted molding for the dash opening, versus the flat-face generic style, added to the structure of the main section as well, which also improves the aesthetics over generic kits. The under pocket adds to that aesthetic and is a bonus for storage of MP3 players or the remote, if the unit you're installing has one. The pocket is very thin, but only a few inches deep, so I don't expect many items to disappear beyond reach, though I wouldn't use it for coins.